Today is your real estate update. Today's Sunday, the 5th of May, 2024. And of course, I'm Connor with Honor. Today, we're going to cover the real estate listings. We have a total of 385 active real estate listings on the market currently for sale. That's going to span the width of single-family residences through condominiums, through townhomes. This is, of course, in the background. I'm running at the top of this my Connor with Honor website. These are the videos that I've done most recently. Also, I'd like to bring your attention to these guides. They're fantastic, and they're going to help both buyers and sellers make better decisions when it comes to buying or selling real estate, and they're all absolutely free and definitely will help all of you with what you're looking for in real estate. When time comes, you just have to click and then enter your information. I'm the only person that sees it. In the last 7 days in Santa Clarita Valley, we have 5 properties have been posted as coming soon. These are properties that aren't ready for viewing yet, but they will be within a 21-day time period. And depending on the property is going to depend when that time period ends. So it's going to be established a particular date, and then it could be anywhere from 0 to 21 days, if that makes sense, where the property is actually going to enter the active market, and then you'll be able to view it. With those listings, just reach out to your real estate professional and say, hey, listen, this is something that I'm interested in. Please let me know when it becomes available. If the agent's worth their salt, they'll make some phone calls and try to get you in if they can, potentially earlier than when the property goes active. It's going to depend on the rules and regulations that are governing those particular boards of realtors, where they have the listing and those sorts of things. But if your agent's doing a good job, there's ways to make things happen. So hopefully they'll be able to fulfill that for you. All right, so back to this. We have 92 properties enter the market for sale in this last 7 days. That is a big number, folks. That's bigger than we've seen. Typically in Santa Clarita Valley, we've been hovering somewhere around 50 to 60 new listings every 7 days. So that's really good news for buyers out there. Probably not good enough to change the way that the buyer's market is currently, and that market is completely complicated with a lot of competition between buyers out there buying real estate. Some buyers are in the wherewithal. They think that maybe they should be removing particular contingencies when they shouldn't be doing that. However, they want to be competitive, and if you can't offer money, sometimes as a home buyer, you're going to change the terms of your offer to try to compete on a different level. Just make sure whatever decisions you're making, your real estate professional is giving you the good and the bad, and maybe that particular decision doesn't impact much of anything at all. You should know that going in. Back on market properties are 17. That number has been reducing in the last several weeks. Back on market basically means these properties were for sale and they went into escrow. For whatever reason, the buyer canceled the transaction or something happened where the transaction could not continue. In a lot of cases, people say, well, it's usually some kind of discovery in the residence. Most cases, that's actually not the problem. The problem is something that occurs on the buyer's side. Maybe they had something as simple as a change of heart, or maybe they discovered something within the neighborhood that they couldn't handle. Maybe they discovered something in the house that they couldn't handle, as I spoke about. There's also other things that happen, though. Maybe their finances collapsed a bit. Maybe they had some kind of an event that doesn't allow them to continue with the purchase of the residence. Unbeknownst or not having anything to do with the residence itself or anything with that particular transaction, something in their private and personal life. Whatever happens, just reach out to your agent and see if they can find out why the buyer canceled. In most cases, the other agent's going to be pretty honest because they understand if they lie to me and then all of a sudden my buyer gets into escrow on the property, runs into something that they lied to me about, then we're going to have a problem. That's a good agent-to-agent conversation that happens occasionally, but usually people are pretty much doing the right thing. All right, so this is active under contract properties 34. Those are properties that have gone into escrow, so congratulations to those buyers. 52 properties have gone deeper into escrow. These are properties where the particular agents and the sellers are confident they're going to make it all the way through. That's 52 properties. Last 7 days in Santa Clarita, 60 properties have sold. This is going to be spanning between condominiums, townhomes, and single-family residences in all of Santa Clarita Valley. Castaic, Canyon Country, Newhall, Saugus, Stevenson Ranch, and Valencia. Listen, if you go to Connor with Honor, you can download one of these guides. They're fantastic. And also, I do keep my blog updated with every single posting that I do regarding the real estate market, what's happening in Santa Clarita, what things that buyers and sellers need to look out for at a local level, whether you're relocating or staying here. I'm Connor with Honor. Your watching makes me happy. Thank you very much. If you have any comments, suggestions, or would like to have other articles or items talked about in future shows, let me know. A few days ago, I also did a fantastic video with regard to insurance here in the Southern California area and what's happening, because I've even had clients, home buyers, that have difficulty getting insurance on residences that are right in between other houses in tracts. These are big communities established, not like on some hillside that's full of shrubbery that's about to catch fire, but I mean in the middle area or a city or a neighborhood that wouldn't seem to have any issues that would create a problem with getting insurance, and then all of a sudden, oh my gosh, there it is. So I did talk to Scott Wilk this last week, fantastic, with his insurance company here in Santa Clarita Valley. So please check out that show. I'm Connor with Honor. Hit the bell, subscribe, and let me know when I can help. Be well, everybody. Connor with Honor, over and out.